Today, we're diving into the world of boosted bass performance with the digital bass restoration kit featuring the Epicenter Processor and premium oxygen-free RCA cables. This cutting-edge technology includes a bass maximization circuit that injects low-frequency information back into your audio signal, delivering a powerful bass impact without damaging your speakers. With the Epicenter's bass output control, you can unleash deep, mind-shattering bass while keeping destructive bursts in check. The pair of bass controls offer two knobs for customizing your sound. The sweep knob lets you set the center frequency you want to enhance, while the wide knob adjusts the frequency range affected by the epicenter. Plus, the convenient dash-mounted control allows you to enjoy these effects from the comfort of your driver's seat, complete with a dual-color LED indicator that changes from rainforest green to sunshine amber as you adjust the bass levels. And let's not forget the 100% oxygen-free copper wire RCA cables, designed to minimize impurities and ensure cleaner, more accurate audio reproduction. So, if you're ready to elevate your car audio experience, the digital bass restoration kit is your ticket to unparalleled bass performance.